Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths in year 11. And today we're going to continue the graphing the quadratics and the polynomial form. So I'm going to straight to the steps, and then I want to show you guys how to graphing the polynomial form, which is y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So first thing first, I want you guys to find the y-intercept, which is when x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, that ax squared equal to 0, and bx equal to 0, so which is 0 plus c. So we can say y equal to c is y-intercept. So c is any number. It could be 0 as well. So which is 0c is your y-intercept. So that's the first step. So step two. So what we do is, in general, we're gonna solve the non-factor theorem. So which is we're gonna find out when x-intercept is. So what's x-intercept, which is y equal to 0. So we just substitution into the 0 equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, and find out the x equals. And step three, so find the equation of the axis of the symmetry, which is we're going to find out the turning points. So what we do is, if you can find the turning points, and that will help you to make the parabola will be the way better than the in the turning point that how to say it. So turning point will be the in the middle of your parabola, and then that's the thing can help you. Yeah. Find the coordinates of the turning point. So which is we're using steps 3 and 4 together to find the turning point. Yep. So let's have a look by hand first. So what we do is we're gonna try to do by hand. So I'm gonna show you the step 1. So y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Clearly, we can say there's no c in here in the equation. So 0, 0 is your y-intercept. And also, let y equal to 0, so which is x squared minus 4x equal to 0. So what we do is x minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. So x1 equal to 0 and x2 equal to 4. So now we find out 0, 0 is x-intercept as well. And also 4, 0 is the x-intercept. So 2 x-intercept, and we find out. And step 3, which is we're gonna find the turning point. So which is turning point x equal to minus b over 2a, which is minus 4 over 2, so which is 2. So when x equal to 2, y equal to 2 squared minus 4 times 2, which is 4 minus 8 equal to minus 4. So 2 minus 4 is TP. So now we can actually graphing. Well, I just move the example 2 a little bit lower. So now we can graphing 2. So now what we do is, so negative 4 in here, so 2, negative 4, so will be this area. So this dot point, And so what we do is, and we cross 0, 0, so which is that, and 4, 0, 4, 0. So we get out the system, find the equation, and keep going that one. Going that one. Yep, yep. X and y, and y equal to x squared minus 4x. That's it. That's my graph. Hopefully that makes sense. And now what we do is I'm gonna show you how to find the question by case. So first thing first, let's find out the graph by case. So we start with the graph. So f1x are representing y, so which is fx, which is function of x. As long as you know this one, and we can graphing x squared minus actually plus x and what is x squared plus x minus 12. That's what we have, and we press that. You can say we can't actually see the whole graph, and we don't know the turning points are. So what we do is we could using the graph to press the menu and see the window and zoom, so we can setting the zoom settings. So minus 10, minimum, maximum, that's fine. So horizontal line, we can say the x-intercept already, but the only thing is the minimum for y. So we can move a little bit to the move a little bit lower, so the whole graph can shape lower. So what we do is minus maybe 18. So and press OK. So you can see the graph that shape down. So now we can see the turning point, also the y-intercept, also the x-intercept. So if you press the trace the graph, so graph trace, it can show you the y-intercept, and you keep moving your left arrow, and you can see the minimum. So they say it's a 0.5, negative 0.1 is negative half, and the negative 12.25 is just negative 12 quarter. So that is your minimum. And let's have a look what's happening if you're going across the x-intercept. That means 0. If you have 0, that means y equal to 0. And but we find out your 2x intercept. So which is we going. So you can say negative 4 and 3 is your two zeros. Hopefully that makes sense. Now let's going back to the graph. So what we actually do